A sale so big, it has to be held at the World Trade Center. Today through Sunday, Burlington Coat Factory comes to the World Trade Center with 12,000 famous maker and designer coats for ladies and men, 1,500 fine furs, thousands of leathers, and 5,000 men's famous maker suits, all priced 30 to 66% off. Friday and Saturday till 9 p.m., Sunday till 6. Burlington Coat Factory's coat, leather, and fur sale at the World Trade Center, Commonwealth Pier, Northern Avenue.
If you enjoy hearing music while you work, at home or anywhere on the job, try the continuous soft hits of Magic 106.7 FM. WMJX is always comfortable, always relaxing, with no noise, no nonsense, and very little talk. And Magic stays fresh by mixing just the right new songs with your older favorites, so you can listen all day, every day. Magic 106.7 WMJX.
How can you drive a new Mercury Grand Marquis for just $299 a month?
Mercury, just lease it.
And how can you move up to another brand new Mercury Grand Marquis only 24 months later?
Just lease it.
With Ford Credit's Red Carpet Lease, it's all possible. A new Mercury Grand Marquis for just $299 a month for only 24 months. No resale haggle, no ownership hassles.
Mercury, just lease it.
So just pay for what you use. Lease a new Grand Marquis. See your Lincoln Mercury dealer now.
I could sure use my tax refund now.
With H&R Block's Rapid Refund, you don't have to wait.
Great, but I'm a little short of cash right now.
With Rapid Refund, you don't need any money.
What's that?
We file your federal return electronically with the IRS, and a refund loan is on its way to you in a matter of days. You don't need any cash because all fees are deducted from your check. Available whether H&R Block prepares your return or not.
Now that's the way it ought to be.
That's Rapid Refund from H&R Block.
When you should be home, but you can't be home. New Formula 44M, the only one for coughs that relieves congestion, runny nose, and headache. It's the multi-symptom cough and cold medicine.
I couldn't miss our last class. I had to be sure 20 people I am very proud of become citizens of this country.
When you should be home, but you can't be home. New Vicks Formula